Join me as I take on the challenge to make 2025 my best year ever, and I'll share all the steps I'm taking to make it happen. Setting personal goals for the upcoming year is crucial, and starting to prepare for success as early as possible can make all the difference. Lack of motivation is a major obstacle people face when trying to achieve their goals. Many struggle to find the drive to keep pushing forward, especially when they're not seeing immediate results. This can lead to frustration and disappointment, causing them to give up on their aspirations. Procrastination is another significant challenge that hinders progress. People often find themselves putting off important tasks until the last minute, which can lead to poor performance and a sense of guilt. Fear of failure also holds many back from pursuing their goals, as the risk of not succeeding can be daunting. Fear of failure can be particularly debilitating, as it can prevent people from even attempting to achieve their goals. This fear can be rooted in past experiences or the fear of what others might think. It's essential to recognize and address these fears in order to make meaningful progress. Many people also struggle with self-doubt, which can be a major obstacle to achieving their goals. This can manifest as negative self-talk or a lack of confidence in one's abilities. It's vital to develop a growth mindset and focus on building self-confidence in order to overcome these doubts. Setting SMART goals is a highly effective strategy for achieving success. This involves making sure goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Creating a vision board can also be a powerful tool, as it allows individuals to visualize their objectives and stay focused on what they want to achieve. Building a support system is also crucial, as having people who believe in and support you can make a huge difference. This can include friends, family, or a community of like-minded individuals who share similar goals and aspirations. Adopting a growth mindset is perhaps the most impactful strategy for achieving significant changes. This involves embracing challenges as opportunities for growth and development, rather than threats to one's ego. Focusing on daily habits can also be incredibly powerful, as consistent effort can lead to remarkable progress over time. Daily habits can be particularly effective when they're aligned with your goals and values. By prioritizing activities that support your objectives, you can create a sense of momentum and motivation that helps you stay on track. The power of daily habits lies in their ability to create lasting change through consistent effort. By focusing on making progress rather than perfection, individuals can develop a sense of resilience and determination that helps them overcome obstacles and achieve their goals. Making 2025 your best year ever requires a combination of the right mindset and actions. By setting SMART goals, creating a vision board, building a support system, and adopting a growth mindset, you can set yourself up for success and make meaningful progress towards your objectives. In conclusion, 2025 can be a transformative year with the right mindset and actions, so let's make it happen. Share your goals for 2025 in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more motivational content to help you achieve your aspirations.